So we start with a basic square. If you don't know how to make one, you can just go to my channel and you'll find instructions. Okay, so what you do is flip this and go there. Open again. And now this one, go there. Open again. And then this at the middle, or there. Open. And then half to the center point. Same for this side. Then you should have something like this. This or there, just to the mid. Same for this side. Then open again. Okay, so what you do now is to take this corner, flip it, like this, but only until that intersection point. Open again. Same for the other side. Only down to this point. Open. And then you take this, flip it to the mid line. Only down to this point. Open again. Same for this side. Only down to this point. Halfway. Open again. Then you make two intersection points. You flip this and that. You make this flip between those 2 points. Open. So it's this side. You see the half mark there. Flip this or there. Make that same for this side. You see there is an intersection point there, just up to that. Open. And now you have a point there and a point there. So we do this. Same for this side. Open again. Then do this. Kind of hard. Okay, then I do this down there. So we have this shape. This is the bottom of the boat. Make same for this side. Should end up with this. Okay, so now you take this one, flip from that corner to that corner. Then comes kind of tricky part. Open this. Flip this back all the way down. Should come up with this. Okay, now you flip this. Then this down to this edge. And all of this. Then open. Finish.